Hi everyone, happy 2019. It's Sunday, January 13th, time for another HideNet Week in Review. From Italy this week, European editor Andrea Guolo writes that work got off to a slow start. The largest tanneries already had work planned, but not in any significant volumes, and the others started back up on the 7th. Current price negotiations are starting with the prices from December. However, cows are still under some pressure as buyers are afraid that price on those might go even lower. This week also signals the start of various seasonal fairs, with Pitti Uomo being the first in Italy. Andrea gives an assessment of the men's footwear market and some of the directions being taken in that particular segment. Riva Shoe is up next, and he will have a report from that fair next week. Among the various hide selections he covers, Andrea notes that English and Irish hides now have the exact same price. However, they're calculated in two different currencies, which is not a good thing for Irish hides. Moreover, he explains that today the market definitely prefers London, not Dublin. Turning to Latin America, some parts of the industry have had extended summer vacation after the holidays. Consequently, the market is off to a slow start there as well. Editor Ronald Guiel says that this week negotiations were ongoing and that there's still plenty of pressure for lower raw material prices, so they may be seeing some decreases in the coming weeks. With regard to TR1 prices, they are relatively unchanged in the range of 60 to 63 cents for full substance TR1. In other items about the Brazilian market, the year-end assessment of export sales was not good. But that was certainly not a surprise. 2018 ended with a total of US $1.443 billion, down 24% from 2017, and in square meters it was also down 10.2% from 2017. In addition, Abba Calçados reports that footwear exports were down in 2018, over 113.47 million pairs were exported for US $976 million. This was a decrease of 10.8% in volume and a 10.5% decrease in comparison with 2017. From elsewhere in Latin America, we have an item on Mexico where issues with gas supplies are affecting the leather and footwear sector, along with some stories on retail footwear brands and how imports continue to be a problem due to their undervaluation. In the United States, the market saw some positive changes with good volume and in many cases higher prices. Travelers in Asia have seen good sales and it helped drive volume. As always, we'll have to wait and see if this was just a bounce or if the improvement will last. Taking a look at heavy Texas steers in particular, the week started slowly with sales as low as $27, but as the week went on, prices improved with trades reported between $29 and $32, which is up $3 to $4 over the lows of the previous week. With regard to exports, we don't have a report. There have been no data released since the U.S. government shutdown started around Christmas, and as long as it drags on, the export figures, along with a lot of other government data, won't be available. So that's all we have for this week, and until then, good night from HideNet.